Hello, I'm Shamin and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to double treble crochet. All you will need is some yarn and a crochet hook. To begin, you have to make a slip knot. Now I'll chain 10 plus 4. After I chain 10, I hold on to the 10th chain and complete the next 4 chains. Now yarn over twice and insert your hook in the 5th chain. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This process is repeated 3 times. It is similar to double crochet in which you pull over twice. This is so simple. All you need is a little practice. Practice makes perfect. Now keep adjusting your yarn for smooth functioning. Each time you end a row, chain 4 to begin the next. Carefully watch my hand movement. This would help you when you are practicing. We are now coming to an end of the first row. Now repeat the process for the last time. And remember not to insert your hook in the slip knot. Now chain 4 and turn your work around for the next row. Now yarn over twice and insert your hook in the next chain. Remember not to insert your hook in the first chain. Be sure to insert your hook under the V shape. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. When you stretch your work, you can see spaces. Those are exactly under the V-shaped chain. It's important for me to cover 2 rows so that you will know how to begin and how to build your rows. Each time you insert your hook, make sure you see 2 loops on your hook. That is the V shape. If you make a mistake, simply insert your hook in the right place and pull your working yarn to undo every bit of unwanted work. Now keep repeating the process until you come to the end of your second row. Now, if you find this tutorial interesting, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Now you continue to repeat the process very carefully. Now we have finally come to the end of row 2. This is a tricky part, so see very carefully. Now look very carefully at your first 4 chains. Now insert your hook in the 4th chain. This is taking me some time because I want to show you clearly in the camera. Now you got 2 loops, that's your V on the hook. Watching me through the 2 rows of treble crochet is all you need. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.